A post-mortem examination done on the body of Kelsey Ferrigon revealed that she was strangled. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A post-mortem examination conducted on the body of St. John's Primary School student Kelsey Ferrigon has reportedly found that she died from strangulation. The post-mortem, which was postponed due to an administrative mishap on Friday, was held yesterday at the House of Tranquility Funeral Home in Kingston. Links 007 TV News was informed that the findings confirmed that the child was raped, and hair strands from the alleged killer Giovanni Ellis was found on her body. She also had bruises and laceration all over her body. Kelsey, a grade 3 student, was murdered on May the 9th. Her body was found inside a barrel at her home on Job Lane in Spanish Town, St. Catherine, partially nude and bearing signs of physical abuse. 30-year-old Giovanni Ellis, also called Cooleyman, was killed on May the 12th in Clarendon in an alleged shootout with the police. Ellis was out on bail in relation to a case of cruelty to a child when the murder occurred. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and have more details to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.